So this example is a little trickier. We have 7 times 6. And as before, we could draw a rectangle, a 7 times 6 rectangle, and count all the squares and get the answer. But that will take too long. So we will start with the top number and say how many will go with 7 to make 10, and our answer is 3. Go to the bottom number, say how many will go with 6 to make 10, and our answer is 4. So we have 3 times 4. Now 3 times 4, that's equal 12. So we have more than 10 ones, more than 9 ones. So let's go over here and look at the rectangle. So first, we can take 7, take away 4. So we have 7, we take away 4. Here we are. And then we can also have 6 take away 3. And so we have 6. And we take away 3. And so let's draw our rectangle. 7 take away 4 is 3. And 6 take away 6 is 3. So we have 3 here. And we have 3 here. And then we have our 3 times 4 rectangle. So we have 12 ones, but to write 12 ones, we have to write 2 and carry a 1. Now, let's do our 7. Our 7 take away 4. So we have 7, took away 4, and that gave us 3. So let's finish that rectangle. And we'll see we have 3 6s in that rectangle. 7 take away 4 will give us 3 6s. And then over here we have 3 4s. But as we saw before, 6 plus 4 is 10. So all together, we have 3 times 10. So we have 3 10s. But remember, we had 1 10 in this 12. So we have 3 10s plus the 1 we carried over gives us 4 10s. That's a tricky part. We have to remember the 1 that we had to carry over to get our answer. Now, over here we can see we had 3 times 6, which gave us 18, plus 3 times 4, which gave us 12. And of course, 18 plus 12 does equal 3 times 10, which is 30. And so just as before, we can see that our 7 times 6 rectangle can be divided into 12 ones, 3 times 4, and 3 10s. But since we carried over our 1 this time, we end up with 4 10s. That's the tricky part you have to be careful about.